Our dealership's prepaid maintenance passport is exactly as it sounds, but includes so much more. Subaru has carefully recommended one of the most simplistic yet comprehensive maintenance programs in the automotive industry. Our dealership is happy to provide a package where you can pre-purchase these services in advance and be rewarded far more than the average owner. If you were to consider purchasing a used vehicle and you were provided complete maintenance records, most would agree that is valuable reassurance that vehicle is looked after, and certainly an easy decision versus one without. Complete maintenance is an expectation of warranty coverage from all manufacturers. Why we have built this plan guarantees you check every box when it comes to your vehicle. Our prepaid plan is built to protect the value of your vehicle and provide peace of mind. Prepaying at the time of purchase also simplifies your ownership experience. Simply make monthly or bi-weekly payments at Subaru's low interest rates, which encompass your vehicle and your maintenance. Finally, from a convenience standpoint, our dealership offers pickup and drop-off within our service area, simply bringing you one of our loaners, taking your vehicle and completing your maintenance. Our dealership's prepaid maintenance plan starts by covering your first 3 years of ownership, which matches your vehicle's warranty period. You can expand your coverage up to 7 years. Prepaid maintenance plans are available on all new Subaru vehicles and select Subaru Certified Pre-Owned. One of our sales professionals can show you the complete passport and answer any additional questions you may have. Our dealership operates and prides itself on being the most efficient. Our prepaid maintenance plan is no different. When purchasing your prepaid maintenance plan, you are not only buying peace of mind, but locking in today's prices, no threat of wage or product inflation, unlocking several additional extras like lifetime tire storage, 2 complete detailing packages, and free rental cars. Thank you for considering the purchase of a prepaid vehicle maintenance plan. We have created a plan not only to sell to clients, but a plan we feel worthy of purchasing ourselves. From all of us, we appreciate the opportunity to earn your business.